Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this new blender that I got. It's the Ninja Deluxe Kitchen System and I'm so excited for it. This is like one of the most interesting, best blenders I've ever seen in a while. So today we're just going to be unboxing it. So I got my scissors here, gonna open it. Just so I can open it properly, I'm gonna set it down because it's kind of bigger than me sitting on the counter. For wondering, I got this from Costco. It was on sale. It was $169, but then there was an additional sale for $40 off or $20 off, and I think I got it in total for $130. So here is just a booklet. That's the first thing that you get when you open it, which we don't need that. We do. I'm gonna look at it later. Then you have some utensils at the top. So this looks like one of the blades for the blender. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's a push down thing. And then this is a top for one of these cups because it comes with 2 single serve cups. So okay, so this whole thing comes out with this attached. So what's in here is the cup. Oh, they're really big too. The 2 cups, and this cup even has this blade. I don't know if this blade also goes on the blender, but the cup even has its own blade. These are the 2. These cups are huge. Top that goes on here. You can twist it and just bring this around when you have like a drink in there, and you know, do your thing. So that's that. And then this is the blender. And it actually has its own blade, so it's beautiful. Am I the only one that gets like excited for home appliances now? I've never owned a blender, so this is literally my first time having a blender. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Already obsessed with this. And it has a little spout here too, so like if you want to pour stuff in while it's going or whatever. Love it. A blender. I'm dropping stuff already, but it looks like it's just a cap and not another cap. So this, it actually, oh my gosh, it's suction. Wow. This is the base for the blender. This looks so beautiful. Like, this looks high tech. It's F. Love that. And it says lock. And I like that it gets stuck, like stays, so you know it's not going nowhere. Here I have, oh, these are some other blades, because supposedly you're supposed to be able to slice and dice stuff with this, like make salsa, hummus. It could slice cucumbers, it could grate cheese, it could shred cabbage. So super duper excited for that, because I would consider myself a home chef. I like to cook a lot at the house, and there's more things that I want to experiment with food wise. So that's the reason why I bought this blender. Finally gave in and got one. And this is the other blade that's supposed to, this one looks like the slicing one. I'm gonna get closer shots, y'all, but yeah, slicing one. And then this baby is the food processor part. It comes with so much. And then this is the food processor part. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm about to use this part right now because I'm about to make me some green seasoning. Oh no, this is a food pusher, so I don't even really know what this is for. But let me give y'all some closer shots. Oh my gosh, I love this. Locked in. Oh, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. All right, so let me let y'all get a closer look at it. Okay, so closer look. This is, yeah, it says shredder right here. So this is the shredder blade. This is obviously the dicer or the grater, or both. It says grating this. This side is up for grating. Okay, so this is the grater portion. So here goes the base. It's sticking every time I put it down. Ninja. This is the base. Deluxe Kitchen System. This is the food processor. This thing is huge. This is the blender part. This is huge. I don't know if I'll ever use this because this is a lot, but I have it, so I'll use it. These are the cups. The cups are huge. This is what I'm saying. I don't know if I'll ever use this big thing because this is the cup. Like, this is huge. I'm gonna just use the cup. And there go the blade for the cup. It stays on here. It doesn't come off. So here goes the blade for it. I think I know what this one is for. I think this is the dough one because it can make, you can literally make dough in this, like pizza dough, cookie dough, bread. I think that's what that's for. Yeah, have yet to figure out what this is for, but let me give y'all a close-up shot of the box so you can see what it does. And I'm gonna get the starter guide, see if it tells me what this does. So this is the area in my kitchen where I'm placing it. It's right next to my toaster and my air fryer, which is also a Ninja product. Right next to my fruit basket, my KitchenAid, and I also have a Keurig right here. So this is my little appliance corner. So that's where I'm placing it, and it really looks beautiful. So I'm just gonna give y'all a close-up of the box. And I found out what this is. This is a spindle. That's what they call it. It goes in when you're using these things to shred and grate. You put this in there, I guess, like to hold the blender, this part in place. So as you can see, it shows you that it has a food processor, dough, it can shred cucumbers, it's 9 cups. Then it has the big old blender, it says 88 ounce pitcher, and then obviously the single serve cups. And right here it tells you all the things that it can do. Smoothie, which obviously most blenders could do that. You can make frozen drinks like slushies, extract, so I don't know, you can make juice like a fruit juice or something. Chop. This is what I'm most excited for because I'm gonna start making Chipotle at the crib. I'm not gonna be eating out at Chipotle no more like that, or I'm not gonna say like that. I'm gonna try my hardest not to at all. I'm gonna make it at home. So chopping, there go the dough part where you can make dough. It says puree. This looks like hummus. Obviously you could probably puree anything you need to puree. And then this for the slicing or shredding, it says reversible slice / shred and grating this cabbage, whatever you want to shred and dice. And as I stated again, well, as I stated before, this is from Costco. I'm pretty sure you can find it other places, but if you have a Costco membership, I suggest getting it from Costco because it was on sale already from what the regular price is, and then Costco had another sale because you got a Costco membership. Because I looked on Walmart, this was $200 on Walmart, and I got it for $130 on Costco website. Yeah, so if you got a Costco membership, or you got a family member or a friend that got a Costco membership, purchase it from Costco. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the blender, and I'm gonna be making a green seasoning, and I have all my little veggies here. So I'm gonna toss them in. Onion. This is like a semi-tutorial, I guess, on how I make my little green seasoning. Green onion. I'm so stupid. I forgot to chop my peppers up smaller. At least put a half of them in first. Half of each one first. So I have red, yellow, orange, and green going in. Okay, and I'm gonna put thyme, and I have 5 Scotch bonnet peppers. I'm gonna start off with 3, or sorry, I call them Scotch bonnet habanero peppers. I'm gonna start off with 3. If I don't like the spice with 3, I'm gonna add more. I forgot to get my garlic, so I have garlic right here. It's already minced. Okay, because I don't got time. I love garlic. And put 2 spoonfuls. And yeah, I'm keeping the seeds in the what's the name? And this is parsley, not cilantro. And then, oh, it's right here. Olive oil, or whatever oil you want to add, but olive oil. And then add more. This thing is so smart. Like, I can't even use it right now. Like with the open like this, I was trying to use it. I can't. It knows when the top isn't on, so it doesn't turn on. I'm gonna add some more stuff too, like I'm gonna add some pimento and stuff, but I just wanna put this in first. It's amazing. I love it. I barely used it, but it's amazing. You could go outside. I know what's about to get shut up. You heard me, ho?
Oh, I didn't. That's why I said what you said.
Oh, I said I know what's about to get shut up.
What? The blender is what it better be. Come in the house.
I don't know why this parsley not going down. I got some more parsley. I think I'm gonna add more. Parsley. And then I'm gonna add a little bit more oil. I need to buy some more oil. And olive oil, not cheap. Okay, so I'm gonna try posting it now. this chicken bouillon, which I just realized I bought something. I bought this and I already had it. What I was looking for was Maggi seasoning, so the Maggi cube I'm putting there. Garlic powder. Complete seasoning. Onion powder. Adobo. That's not coming out. It's coming out. It's taking its time. Adobo. Black pepper. Some pimentos I want to put in there. I'll throw about 6 of them in there. Cayenne. More fire for your head up. So now I'm gonna turn this off and I'm gonna transfer this into a jar that I have. Mona, look at this. Every single time. Now I'm gonna pour it in this jar that I have. Ooh, definitely spilling on the sides. Green seasoning, homemade. Put it on whatever you want.